Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you have a PS4, then today I will let you know some of the most important and common things that you should never do with your PS4. And hopefully that will ensure the longevity of your device. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Do not unplug the power cord from the wall outlet once your device is turned on. If you do that, it might be the reason of losing the data, and also your PS4 can be corrupted and even can be damaged. So be sure to turn off your PS4 properly before you plug it out. And also, if you want to prevent the overheating issue on your PS4, then try keeping the device in a well-ventilated area. And here's the number 2. Do not charge your controller using the wall adapter, especially above 5 volt, or using any other fast charger. It will damage the battery life of your controller and you will lose the battery capacity that actually will cause your controller to connect with the power all the time. So be sure to use the maximum 5 volt of adapter, and also I recommend to charge your controller by using your PS4. Here's the number 3 and the last one. If you're using an external hard drive or USB flash drive on your PS4, then do not unplug the device before you ejecting it safely from the settings. If you do that, it may data to be lost or corrupted, and also your system can be damaged. Now to eject a storage device from your PS4, first thing first, go all the way to the settings, go down to devices, then go down to USB storage devices. You'll get to see your device. Just go ahead and select this one, and you'll get the first option, stop using this USB storage device. Just go ahead and select this one, and once you do that, just go ahead and eject the external storage device from your PS4. So guys, I hope this small tutorial helped you guys out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you up in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.